I greet all of you now. Okay, make una hear. I don't talk to chiefs, but I make I tell you directly. We hear say this place they flooded with water. So if you come here before, they reach like me or even some people. They reach waist, some they reach breast, some they reach leg. But when they cause them now, we they cause them. Our person go open eye, where water they flow through, they will go build house on top. Then you go tell me say you get approval. Both you when they build the house and you when get approval, una two be criminals. Yeah? So we don't anywhere where house they on top of water channel or where water they flow through. I don't tell you say this man that they call him Okubo. And only go they hear, not the hear come. I don't tell her, you go remove all of them. And will they remove all of them? Not only for this area, across the town, across the state. As I live here so, and they go another place, and they go Sapele, anywhere we get house on top of water, we go remove them. So that water go flow. You see that water now, they flow go reach the river, which was not possible. And because they flow go reach the river, all the water they gather here before, they get where they pass. Then number two, some of us will just open eye, we'll pack dirty, we'll just pack them anywhere where water they flow through. And that one not good. So I don't promise Papa, say as we don't open that place, so we'll do what they call embankment for both sides, so that it is not going to enter the water, the channel again. And then when this road is finished, the dry season, I'll contact this road. So, hello. Look what I hear. Look what I hear. Now, when the rainy season is not finished, we'll contact this place. We'll tell them, put what they call gutter, for the two sides. And then, when they start asking, put gutter. Anybody where pack the thing, put Holy Ghost. When Holy Ghost fire the person finish, I'll come fire the person. Because this dirty habit you don't do. So Abegura, we'll get to the change our habit. Okay, our dirty habit.
On behalf of our great people, I'm very, very grateful. We are grateful to your government. What you have used your commissioner to come and do in this area. Because you know, even the flood of this time, especially the one of the day before yesterday, we see your good work, what you have done for us. Even those who can not be able to talk, they are praising you. Because if you see the whole of Syria, it's no joke. So, and then we were even finding a way, how can we be able to talk with the government, just the governor, just to salute him, to talk with the governor, just only to salute him. That's just our aim. Because, you know, to come to you, to come and greet you, you know, it's difficult. But now it's just an opportunity. Only you just work at come to this place. So we have the opportunity to say thank you. We say thank you. So what you are doing now, what you are promising us, we will do our own side of it. If you can be able to open this place, so we will do our own side of it. And then those who say they cannot be able to cooperate, we know how we handle those matters. And then anybody who is it's too big for us, we go report. Thank you so much. We are grateful.